Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Real Plus 135 in 1 precision mechanical tool set. It's a mini screwdriver set with over 135 pieces. That's a really cool repair tool for mobile phone, for tools like to open and repair an iPhone, personal computer, laptop, tablet, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, toys, watches, camera system, glasses, PlayStations, and so on. We have here a mini screwdriver set. This repair kit contains over 110 piece screw heads of different types. And these are special types and the standard types in one pack. Here it comes. The screwdriver is made of S2 alloy, which is hard and not easy to damage. They're equipped us with 2 replacement screw heads, so we can use the replacement screw heads at any time. And we have a complete repair kit, 135 repair tools included. That means 110 precision screw heads, 1 plastic handle, 1 soft extension shaft, 1 hard extension shaft, 1 tweezers, 3 times plastic pry burrs, 2 times snap hands, 1 time magnetizer and demagnetizer, 2 times suction cap, 8 triangle caps, 1 motorized connection rod, a small wrench, 6 times magnetic pads, and with a transparent toolbox, it's easy to store. It can better prevent the loss of the tools. And you can see it works in different consoles or special designed tools out there. That means here it comes with a triangle drive, or a piece drive, and star drive, Torx, and. This screwdriver set has ergonomically designed handles with non-slip particles on the surface. And the extension rod is hard, and it can be bent 180 degrees and rotate 360 degrees to work in tight gaps. This toolkit is convenient for us to disassemble and repair mobile phones and computers, monitors, make upgrades on your computer hard drive and power supply for the PlayStation, Xbox, and other devices. And with this repair kit, we can disassemble our phone, tablet, MacBook, and replace the screen, clean the interior, replace the battery, and much more. We can also use it to repair our glasses, watches, and other devices. This set is undoubtedly ideal for home workers, technicians, electronic lovers, and more. And you can see it's easy to handle. We have 136-piece screwdriver repair kit here on the market. We have a repair combination kit fulfill all our DIY needs. We have slotted design. We have hexagon design, Phillips screwdriver design, pentagonal design. We have 4mm socket. We have a mini branch set. We have posy. We have tri-pointed. We have triangle. We have U-shape. We have square. We have the MID. And of course the SIM and ICS. This all is possible with this one repair combination kit. We have a handle, we have a screw pole, a pry blades, a tweezers, and pry bars. So you can see it's a really nice and good set for precision mechanical jobs in DIY. This is the Real Plus Precision Mechanic Tool Set with mini screwdrivers and over 135 pieces of repair tools for mobile phone, for iPhone, personal computers, laptop, tablets, Xbox, PlayStation, toys, watches, camera, glasses, and so on. For the microsystem, it's really good to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.